Hello everyone, welcome back. If you want to send a video message like this from your iPhone, iPad, Android devices, then watch full video to learn how to send a video message in WhatsApp. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First of all, what we have to do, tap and hold the App Store and tap on updates and check the list if there is any update available for WhatsApp. If there is, then update the WhatsApp app. After that, simply launch WhatsApp and select the contact that you want to send a video message. Here you can see in the bottom right corner a mic option. Just tap on this mic once. After that, hold and record video. Now tap on camera and slightly slide up. And after 2-3 seconds you will be start and recording also start. Now tap on camera and change to camera, back camera or front camera. Now tap send or delete and you will send a video message from your iPhone in WhatsApp. That's it. Hopefully friends, you found this video helpful, so please do like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.